She quickly reached a secret underground shelter hidden beneath a sewer cover. She opened it, jumped inside, and closed it just before the bad guys arrived. Then they noticed a water pump nearby and started washing their faces. Inside the shelter, the girl smiled and grabbed a remote control. She pressed a button, and suddenly the water pump burst open with a loud boom. Water sprayed everywhere, soaking the bad guys from head to toe. The bad guys got scared and ran away, while the clever girl safely escaped through an